So going into the second question, what aspects of leadership and decision making should remain human led versus AI driven?
Mm-hmm. A
That's a
tough one.
depends on the core mission of the
Yeah.
company. That depends
Mm-hmm.
on regulation. That depends on data risk,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
right? Like is your data right? Um, are you is your AI, what's the confidence of your AI algorithm and the platform that you're using to be able to accurately make those decisions?
Mm-hmm.
Um, and what gatekeeping methodologies do you have to put into place for these agents? So that one, that one's a very broad question, but it's a very important one because it makes you list on the things, your constraints. What can't you
Ooh,
do?
you're limited. Your
Your
limitations.
limits. Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Your limitations. That's true. That's awesome.
If you know what you can't do with AI, then you know what you can't do. You can do everything else.
Yeah. Like up to here.
Yeah. Here's where the line's drawn.
Mm-hmm.
So now on to AI implementation and automation. So which key processes can AI automate to improve efficiency without compromising quality?
Mm-hmm.
It's very important. Um, and that also depends with where the state of AI is.
Mm-hmm.
Are you using a state of the art model? Are you using an open source model like DeepSeek? Because those are going to have very different responses
Mm-hmm.
and that very different applications as to where you would use them and how. Um, so, or maybe you use both, like what we do. We're completely agnostic to any of the large language models because they're all going in their own path, right? There's some are really great at one things like coding and creative writing
Mm-hmm.
and ideas and ideation and images and video and
Mm-hmm.
but no one is perfect
In all
one
of them.
in all of them.
In
Yeah,
all of them. Mm-hmm. Well, maybe one day they will.
not right now.
No.
Yeah,
Well. Yep.
not. I don't think it's going to take some time.
Mm-hmm.
That's the thing about it. We don't know. Like, I don't think the models that we have now have been put to the ringer yet. Like, I don't really think that we've like if we just stopped AI, like just stopped the development of AI and just
Mm-hmm.
used what we have today.
Hmm.
I don't think we know what that limit of what it's capable of doing with the knowledge and data and information that it's able to do today because it's being built.
Yeah. On a constant basis.
Yeah, it's still a prototype. Because I know for us, we're building AI platforms and AI systems, and I mean, there's no concrete path. We're just
Mm-hmm. There's an
figuring.
existing ground,
Right.
but it's not necessarily
It's
a
a
good
growing
path.
tree.
Uh-huh.
It's
Yeah,
growing
that makes
branches
sense.
and twigs and leaves, and we're just trying to get to one end. One. So essentially, it's just we're trying to figure out all the dead ends.
Mm-hmm. For each industry.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I was also thinking about how does an e-commerce platform differentiates from an art platform in which you want clients to be there are just different questions. So for one is one thing, and for the other is just this
Completely different.
opposite. It's delivery, it's time, and then the other one is quality and colors, and there's that's two AIs right there.
Yeah. What's more
Yeah.
important?
Yes.
Literally, what's more important? That
Hmm.
is the leadership. And
I think it's the next question that
so,
is
how do we
the
ensure
processes.
AI integrates smoothly with existing workflows and technology?
Mm-hmm.
Um, by doing it,
Mm-hmm.
you just got to do it. Integrate AI first, and then from there, you'll know if it's not giving you the results you want and why. Right? You
Mm-hmm.
start figuring out that why, then you go backwards.
Mm-hmm.